Is it the right time to make a decision on Disney stock? Let's dive deep into the details. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 14, 2023, our system has ranked Disney as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this time. The stock has shown some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 3.78%. This means that, on average, it has been generating a return of 1.26% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system expects high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, it's difficult to predict the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The stock has recently broken the weak rising short-term trend and is now indicating an even stronger rate of rising. This could potentially provide an opportunity for investors. If there is any pullback, there is support at the previous trend level of $87.72. This could serve as a second chance for the stock to continue its upward movement. However, it's important to note that there may be resistance at $95.43, which might not be easily surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.68% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return range could be between -12.23% and -3.77%, so it's important to carefully consider the risks involved. On a longer-term scale, the 12-month trend suggests a potential -16.09% change over the next year. This could result in a return range between -31.65% and -12.81%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $64.59 to $82.41 after 12 months. Our latest update on Disney brings good news: Green Day on Thursday for Disney. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 16, 2023, the Disney stock price increased by 0.617%, going from $93.93 to $94.51. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $93.63 and a high of $94.61, showing a 1.05% change. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall gain of 13.47% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.22 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume with rising prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Disney stock was $118.18, while the lowest price was $78.73. Currently, the price is 20.03% or $23.67 below the 52-week high and 53.45% or $108.51 below the all-time high on March 8, 2021, when the price reached $203.02. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave DIS a grade of overweight with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, Benchmark gave DIS a grade of buy with a recommended action to hold. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Credit Suisse gave DIS a grade of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Seaport Global gave DIS a grade of buy with a recommended action to initialize. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, Needham gave DIS a grade of hold with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Disney stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to analyze the signals for Disney stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and moves downward, it will find support at the levels of $90.29 and $84.25. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 19.14%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. In this video, we'll explore some interesting signals that you should know about. One signal to watch out for is the moving average convergence divergence, which recently gave a buy signal. Another important signal is the pivots, which showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 12 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 131 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Disney. Disney currently has a support level at $90.34, which means that this price has historically seen a lot of buying activity. It's worth keeping an eye on this level as it may provide a buying opportunity. When the support level is tested, we can expect the stock price to potentially react positively and move higher. In terms of risk, Disney is considered to have medium risk due to its average daily movements. On an average day, the stock moves 98 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.05% change in price. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.25%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Disney, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One such data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.07. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Disney. As we analyze the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. By monitoring the volume, you can determine the optimal time to exit your position. On the downside, we encounter the first support level for Disney at $90.34. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On September 30, 2023, Baramary T made an insider purchase of 11,146 shares of Disney common stock. On September 30, 2023, Kat Safra conducted an insider buy of 11,141 shares of Disney common stock. On September 30, 2023, Chong Amy conducted an insider buy of 7,329 shares of Disney common stock. On September 30, 2023, DeSouza Francis A conducted an insider buy of 11,146 shares of Disney common stock. On September 30, 2023, Everson Carolyn conducted an insider buy of 10,193 shares of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 34.936. Overall, insiders purchased 248,288 shares and sold 139,120 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $91.84, which represents a decrease of 2.82%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily price fluctuations, which means there is a moderate level of risk involved. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 84, indicating a relatively high level of risk. It's worth noting that a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago. Is Disney stock a good buy? While Disney does show some positive signals, we believe there are not enough reasons to consider it a buy candidate. Currently, it would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further developments. After carefully analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Friday, November 17th, we expect Disney's stock to open down by $0.260, starting the trading day at $94.25. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis of your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We sincerely wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.